So to get your battery out of these same bikes, if you got it second hand and you didn't put it in from new, it's got a lock on it there, and that opens up. Now you can swing this round into its folded position. There's a key under here, a lock. There's the lock pin. You undo that and the battery slides there. So I'll just show you how to do that now. I'll put the key in first, but I won't unlock it because you don't want it falling out. It's usually the bigger key. So anyway, I can't do it one-handed, so I'll come back. I'll just break it in half now. It's a bit awkward, but undo the pin. And slides out after you took the key out. So every mistake I could make I've done. Make sure the pedal ain't in the way, and that's it. And I'm going to take it all the way out.